Can you guess what's about to steal the spotlight in this kitchen? Meet the Haier 28-liter convection microwave, where everyday cooking gets a premium upgrade. Dual heating makes sure every side of the bite gets the same attention. A back convection fan keeps the heat moving for even cooking from start to finish. The easy jog control keeps every setting just a simple turn away. With 10 power levels, every recipe gets the heat it asks for. Wrapped in premium black glass that instantly elevates your countertop. Looks like your everyday meals just found its favorite appliance.